Hello, fellow e-bikers and YouTubers. Welcome to iScoot, Connecticut. I am your host, Robert G. FedEx just dropped off my new SMRFS Defender electric bicycle. Before we get started, I'm going to inspect the box for any visible damage. The box has some minor damage, but nothing that looks catastrophic. I live on the East Coast and the box came from a warehouse in Las Vegas, Nevada. The designers at SMRFS took the extra step to design a creative drawing for their packaging. The box for the Defender is very unique. You will see that shortly. This box has staples and straps and opens from the side. You only need to open the side. Do not cut the straps or open the top of the box. I like to remove the staples completely from the box as the first step. The staples are very sharp. You can cut yourself, or even worse, you could scratch the bike during the unboxing process. SMRFS has an excellent unboxing and assembly video. Please refer to that video. I just want to show you my experience as an average e-biker. This next part is amazing. I have never seen this with any other e-bike. Unless you are very strong, everyone struggles with lifting their e-bike out of the box. The Defender slides out from the side. There is a bright orange strap wrapped around the neck of the bicycle. Just grab hold of the orange strap and pull the bicycle gently but firmly straight out the side of the box. I put down a blanket to protect the bike, but the bottom of the bike was already protected with cardboard. Here's what I pulled out of the box. Please be very careful at this point. I know you will be excited to start revealing the e-bike. It is very easy to accidentally cut a wire, cable, or zip tie that is part of the bike and not part of the packaging. I have seen experienced YouTubers make that mistake. Surprisingly, there is not a lot of zip ties in styrofoam packing. I think because of the unique cardboard at the front and rear, they do not need as much. The only constructive criticism I would offer back to SMRFS is to add some bubble wrap or other protection to the screen. Let's open the accessory box. First up is the tool bag. They give you a nice zippered pouch. The tools are actually good quality. You can actually use these tools if you do not have any of your own. Also included is a patch kit and tire irons for repairing a flat tire. Please consider purchasing a spare inner tube so you will not have to repair a tube. This white box contains the owner's manual, 2 keys for the battery, 2 remote controls for the alarm, a keychain, and a tiny little screwdriver. I cannot be sure, but I think the screwdriver might be for changing the battery and the remote control. SMRFS took the extra step to make a very nice box for these items. Obviously, someone at SMRFS has a background as a packaging designer. Here's the charger for the SMRFS Defender. It is a 2-amp charger with a built-in cooling fan. Make sure the fan is not obstructed when charging the bike. Only use this charger with the Defender. Do not use this charger on any other bike. Another charger or battery connection may look similar but not be an exact match. The Defender and the charger are UL rated, but you must still use them properly to ensure safe operation. The pedals are metal and made by a company called Go. I have used these pedals before and they are very good. I am going to install these, but I may switch them out later for a different color. Finally, there is a headlight that will be connected to the main battery. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If I do not know the answer, I will try and reach out to SMRFS to find out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming assembly experience video.